Spousal maintenance is an award of money made by the court to enable the payer to pay an amount of money to the payee who is a person in need. So the person with the higher income pays the person with the lower income, usually on a monthly basis. It can be for a specified number of years, or it can be for a payer's life. And if it's a specified number of years, it's called a term maintenance order. And it can be, for example, 2 to 5 years until the payee, that's the person who receives it, is able to get a job, get back on their feet. It could be until a child finishes education. And the other type, which is less common, is a joint lives maintenance order, which is paid until the payer dies or retires, or until the payee remarries. Cohabitation does not bring an end to a spousal maintenance order unless both parties agree in a court order that it should. Once it's established that spousal maintenance is payable, then we go on to look at how much should be paid. And we calculate that looking at what the needs of the payee are balanced against the available resources and the ability of the payer to pay. So if it is not feasible for the payee to go out and develop a career, for example, because there's a young child at home, then we look at the payee's housing needs and other costs balanced against how much the payer can pay and if there are other available resources that can be used. And we then order it to be paid for a specified period of time to enable the payee to get back on their feet. Either party can bring an application to vary the spousal maintenance order up or down if there's a change in circumstance, such as the payer, for example, losing their job or their circumstances changing in another way. At any time, the payer or the payee can apply to court for a lump sum to be paid instead of the spousal maintenance on a monthly basis, and that is called capitalisation. And that brings an end to the order, which is called a clean break. And spousal maintenance comes to an end automatically upon the death of either party or when the payee remarries.